9th Standard Geography, Chapter 2, Physiographic Divisions of Karnataka. Exercises. First main, fill in the blanks with suitable words. First one, island located near Malpe is dash. Answer is Saint Mary or Coconut Island. Second one, Sahyadris is the name given to dash ghats in Karnataka. Answer is Western Ghat. Third one, Agumbe Ghat links dash and dash. Answer is Shivamogga and Udupi. Fourth one, the Kashmir of Karnataka is dash. Answer is Kodagu. Let's move to second main. Discuss in groups and answer the following questions. First question, mention the important physical divisions of Karnataka. The important physical divisions of Karnataka are: first one, the coastal plain; second one, the Malnad region; third one, the Maidan region. Second question, write a note on the relief features of Malnad region. Answer is Malnad runs parallel to the coastline from north to south. They have steep terrace-like slopes in the west and gentle slope to the east. Hence they are called ghats. They are 650 kilometers in length and 50 to 76 kilometers in width. The height ranges from 900 to 1500 meters from sea level. Since Malnad region receives heavy rainfall, it has attractive hill resorts covered with dense evergreen forests. It is the birthplace of many rivers, which, when they fast down the steep slopes, form wonderful waterfalls. These are all about the relief features of Malnad regions. Let's move to third question. Give an account on the coastal plains of Karnataka. Answer is, this physical division lies between the Arabian Sea and the Malnad region. The coastline extends to 320 kilometers from Mangalore in the south to Karwar in the north. Its width varies from 12 to 64 kilometers. It is broad in the south and becoming narrow towards the north. Its height is more than 200 meters above sea level. It is called the Canara or the Karnataka coastline. Many fast-flowing rivers cut through the coastal areas is formed by sea erosion. The rivers have formed estuaries. However, there are no deltas in this area. Next point. There are many ports along the coastline. Among them, New Mangalore is the major port in Karnataka. Bhatkala, Malpe, Karwara, Kumta, Belekere and Honnavar are fishing ports. Many beautiful beaches are formed along the sea coast, attract tourists. These are all about the coastal plains of Karnataka. Let's move to fourth question. Name the main hills of Southern Maidan. The main hills of Southern Maidan are Chitradurga Hills, Narayanadurga, Savanadurga and Shivaganga in Bengaluru Rural District, Madhugiri Hill in Tumkur District, Nandi Hills, Channakeshava Hill, Kavale Durga and Skandagiri Hill, Harihareshwara Hill in Chikkaballapura District. Biligiri Rangana Hill, Malemadeshwara Hill, Himad Gopalaswamy Hills in Chamarajanagar District, Chamundi Hill in Mysore. These are all the main hills of Southern Maidan. Let's move to question number 5. Mention the mountain passes in the Western Ghats. The mountain passes in the Western Ghats are: first one, Charmadi Ghat. It links Mangalore and Chikmagaluru. Second one, Shiradi Ghat. It links Hasan, Sakleshpur and Mangaluru. Third one, Agumbe Ghat. It links Shivamogga and Udupi. Fourth one, Hulikal Ghat. It links Shivamogga and Kundapur. These are the mountain passes in the Western Ghats. Let's move to third main. Match the following. List A: Jog Falls, Om Beach, Nandi Hill Station, Monolithic Hill, Land of Sunshine. List B: Mangaluru, Northern Maidan, Sharavati River, Gokarna, Chikkaballapur, Madhugiri Hill. Answer is Jog Falls, Sharavati River, Om Beach, Gokarna, Nandi Hill Station, Chikkaballapur, Monolithic Hill, Madhugiri Hill, Land of Sunshine, Northern Maidan.